This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you're signed into the Apple ID that owns the AirPods Max. This is essential. Once signed in, bring the headphones close to your iPhone and wake them so Bluetooth connects. Open the Find My app on your iPhone. If you prefer a browser, use iCloud. Calm and open Find iPhone. These steps verify ownership and device reachability, and they let you see the AirPods Max in the devices list before you proceed to removal. You'll now remove the AirPods Max from your account. In Find My, tap Devices and pick the AirPods Max. Scroll down and choose Remove this device, then confirm when prompted. This disassociates them from your Apple ID. If the headphones show offline, switch to iCloud. Calm, open all devices, select the AirPods Max, and choose Remove from account. Make sure to wait a minute after confirmation for servers to process the change. Finish by forgetting the AirPods Max from Bluetooth on any iPhone or iPad they were paired with. This prevents automatic reassociation. Power cycle the headphones by holding the noise control and digital crown, then try removal again if it didn't register immediately. If you still can't remove them, sign out of iCloud on a secondary device and attempt removal from iCloud. Calm, that often clears lingering associations. If problems persist, contact Apple support with your proof of purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.